levels that truly matter, and trend analysis. You don't need anything else. I mean, I'm proof, if nothing more, that you don't. Here, pound JPY. Now, this one, this one I just wanted to show. Look, even if you're trading on a smaller position size, let's just say you're trading a mini lot, it's not even about the money, but the money is there to be made. Here you can see on a mini lot, this one was at the moment that it was captured, this one was up just over $200. Now that's just a mini lot. If you had a standard lot, you're up over $2,000. So as I said, the money is there to be made. But I really don't want you focusing on the money. I know that's why we all trade. I know that's the reason we do this, is to make money, to make a living. But I promise you, the less you focus on the money, the more of it you will make. The more you focus on the money, the less of it you will make. It's about the process. It's about recognizing quality and knowing where to act, when to act, and how to act. Here is one of those recent trades I was just telling you about. You can see this is, up to just maybe a couple hours ago. U.S. dollar, Canadian dollar. I played it short. You can see here where it was played short, where the target was taken. It was actually played short on this breakdown here, right? So it was the other day, as I said, and then the target I got out down here. What does it say? 22.97. So right in this area here, And like I said, I'm not going to try and tell you I got out down at the low. I mean, that's just not. I'm not going to say not realistic, but look, I'm not trying to sit here and say, oh yeah, I shorted this breakdown and I got out at the low. I'm so lucky. I'm so good. No, look, I said just a moment ago, I want to get the meat out of the move. So short the breakdown and get out down here. If you look to the left, there is some support off to the left. I don't have it on this chart, but there's a support area off to the left here. And that's why I was looking to get out in this area. Sure, it went a little bit lower, but I got the meat out of the move. I'm not gonna worry about a couple extra crumbs that I could have gotten when I got this large chunk of the move. And the other trade that I wanted to show you here was pound US dollar. This one I took as a long, and I got in around this area in here. Had to sit through this gyration, but it is what it is. But we got a really nice move up and took it to up towards the top of this range. So once again, yeah, left a little bit on the table, but look, it's about making money. It's about having a high odds of success, and that's what the pristine method does. Is it puts you on the right side and it puts you in a position to be successful. So at this point, those are the charts that I wanted to show you. Here's a look at the table of contents if you're interested in seeing it. As I said earlier, if you want to see it, you can just contact your counselor if you want to have it emailed to you. But here's day one agenda. We talk about basics, trends, key strategies, all that good stuff. We get into support and resistance on day two, talk about trade management, multiple time frames, all of the necessary stuff that you need. We talk about money management, trading plans, everything that you need to be successful. And if you sign up for the prop program, we have a third day where you also have platform training where you go through setting up the chart, placing test trades and all that stuff as well. So we can help accelerate the learning curve of not just the education, but also getting familiar with a new platform, because that can be very difficult at times. I mean, if you're switching a platform, there's quite the learning curve to that as well. And so we want to help you on that end as much as we can also. So like I said, if anybody wants to see that table of contents and have it emailed to you, just simply reach out to Ray and or Amber. They can help you out no question about it. And if you are interested in the prop aspect of this program, you get lifetime access to our education, and you're going to have access to me, and I'll be able to work more closely with you than if you were to just open your own account. We can work side by side, and I can help give you more targeted feedback throughout your learning process. And it'll also help reinforce more professional trading behavior, because we've got some risk management guidelines that we can provide to you to help kind of say, hey, this is what you should try to follow. So we'll give you that. And there's also an emphasis, as I've already started showing you, on steady profitability rather than home runs, right? You're not trying to be Babe Ruth, who hits home runs but also strikes out more than anybody else. That's not what we're looking for. We're looking for steady profitability, singles, doubles, and the occasional home run. Yeah, that's going to come. But it's about being able to create a steady stream of income. And also, when the time is right, knowing when to increase your risk and trading larger size. You earn the right to trade bigger size. As you become more comfortable and confident in yourself, you should give yourself a raise. You should allow yourself to trade bigger size and make more money, which is smooth size transitions and access to greater buying power as you prove yourself over time. And you know what? We all have a common incentive here. If you're doing well, you're happy, and we're happy, because you're going to say, hey, you know what? This pristine program, it's the real deal. I'm making money. I'm seeing things better than I've ever seen before. You should check it out. And like I said, you're making money, so you're happy, and it's just a wonderful relationship that we can have together. The next time I'm teaching this course, guys, is going to be coming up at the end of the month, June 27th through the 29th. Its retail price is $39.95. I know we've got some specials going on for the month of June, so contact your counselor. Got some specials going on for the month of June, so contact your counselor if you have any questions. If you are a TPM or prop grad, equity prop grad, you can get even deeper